Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will be unboxing a new washing machine from Hisense. It's a 10 kilo washing machine. The model number is HWFS1015AB and within the same dimensions, it is giving you 10 kilo capacity, and the machine has quite a few latest features which I could not find out in the various other brands like LG or Bosch or any other brands we could not find out. Let me tell you the cool feature it has. One is a auto loading. What does that mean is you have to put up the detergent only once a month, and every time when you are using the machine it will be taking the appropriate quantity. And the second thing is it has a ultraviolet rays, so which means it will kill the germs from your clothes. And the third thing is like it has a smart app feature. You can see the energy consumption, everything, whether the machine has finished the run or it needs anything, or it will give you all the update. And also the machine has a steam cleaning facility also. So, and price wise also it is very cheap. So I suggest you just search on the website before you buy, and you may find a good deal sometime. And also the description of this machine is giving in my video description web link. And if you have any question, just put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Let's see how good is the machine. Let me open up the box. So this is the machine. It's in a black color. So it will be better to read the instruction manual plus the installation process. So you need it properly before you do running the machine. And these are some of the instruction. You should read that first. See, if you are installing the machine yourself, I suggest you can either go for a premium delivery so that they can deliver and then install and remove the rubbish also and take away the old machine also. But if you are doing the installation yourself, so this is the back of the machine. So nowadays there is only one outlet which is for the cold water. See the blue dot. So don't install the hot water here, and this is for the cold water. And also there is no hot water outlet, so it will be all the machines are using their own temperature to heat up the water. So, and before you put up the machine, this is the transportation bolt. So these are the 4 bolts you have to remove. That I can show you one by one. So these are 1, and then 1 at the bottom, 2, and then 1 on the right side here, 3, and then this is the 4th one. So they provide you this kind of tool also, so you have to remove that. So that way, so you have to remove this transportation bolt. So you can use power tool also if you have one, but this is the big long transportation bolt. So see, like this, you have to remove all the 4. Now all the transportation bolts, 4 of them has been removed now. Now you have to attach the water inlet here, so the cold water will be going inside through this one. So you have to tie it properly so that there is no water leakage. I have connected the water inlet here, the cold water, and now I have to attach the other end with my sink, and I have to connect the, this is the power cord I have to connect, and plus I have to put up the outlet also hose. And but before we do that, so you have to adjust the levels for the machine. Under the machine, if you see down under, so there are, see this one, so you have to adjust that as per the machine so that it's not wobbly anything, so you can adjust that. See, this machine may be wobbly because of the floor level, as you can see that, see, based upon my floor. So you just have to make sure that you are tightening that, because otherwise when the machine will run, it will shake. See, now I'm attaching the cold water to my sink here. See, the water pipe is attached now, the cold water pipe, so I don't need hot water here. See this one, the other one, it is not required to be attached. So now I am using the detergent, so I have to open that. So this is for softener and the detergent, and this is for the manual detergent. We can put it here. So this is for the liquid one, and now for the other one we can use the powder here, and that is sufficient. So let's close that. So now I have put up the cloths and just turn on the power. So now we select the, as per the cloth type, which kind of wash we need. So there are few different types. You can choose as per your cloths variety. So you can twist that, as you can see, as per your requirement. So it is wool and makes shirts, power. So it will change the time for each circle. So now we have selected the bedding here, and you can select the temperature if you want, and steam also you can select, and UV also. So then you have to select the start here. So the machine is running now. See, this light is because liquid detergent and liquid softener we haven't used yet. This is the remaining time, 39 minutes. So my circle is bedding circle. So to use the Hisense washing machine app, go to the Android, Google Android store, or either on the Apple store. Then you can search Hisense washing machine app. The first one, you can download that. So this will be the Connect Life. So you have to install that. So my app is downloaded and now installing. So now let's open the app now. So click open, and it's saying West welcome Connect Life. So click next. So it is saying add your device. Click next, and then it will search for the device. There are some user conditions, so you scroll down, go all the way down, and then agree. Again, data protection policy, so same way, just go down. So who bother to read all this long list of terms and conditions? So go all the way down, agree again. So connect live, so you have to allow, and you have to set up the sign in email and password. So because you're using for the first time, if there is no account, click create connect live account, so click on that. And then it is asking create account. You have to put up your email address and then select the password. So for one more time, it is asking to accept the terms and conditions, so click agree. Again, data protection policy, it is asking again to accept. I'm not sure why it is asking, but sometime you have to follow. So again, agree. So now you have to log in, and they send a verification code. So check your email, there will be some code they have sent. So this is the email from the company, and they provided this temporary code. So then you have to put up your first name, last name, country, email, and the phone number. Share that information. See, after you put up all this information, it is asking to sign in again. See, this is the home page now. It is asking add device. So you need to click that add device. So look for device in your network. So you can select that, and searching for the devices near you, you can click on that if there is any. Otherwise, you can add manually also. So to manually add the device, you have to select what kind of device you have. See, now the Wi-Fi sign is flashing, so you click next and saying, so it is showing me on my app washing machine. You select that. See, I put up the code, so it is a password error. So the machine cannot be connected to 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It has to be 2.4 gigahertz. See now, see this one. See now, this is my Connect Hub, Connect Life app, and this machine is saying standby. So I'm not using at the moment. So you can check the status that way. So this is the detailed product feature of this Hisense washing machine front loader. So as you can see, it is currently on special for $728, and 10 kilo capacity, series 7, and the color is charcoal black. So if you go down, this is the main features: auto dosing, like store up to 24 load worth of detergent and softener, and auto wash, it senses the weight of the laundry, and also what kind of laundry you are using. So it has a UV hygiene and a UV light filtration system, and a steam function, and connect life app control. So 1500 is the RPM maximum spin speed, and it has quite a few wash modes, and 13 wash program, pause and add other features, 5-star energy rating, and 4.5 wells water efficiency rating, and also it comes with the 3 years warranty. So this is the information from Hisense. You can read that. So there is a brief video also you can see, and then this is the other feature, so which is they have explained in detail. So if you go down, this is the specs for this machine, and these are the dimensions. So particularly the new machines, if you are looking into the 10 kilo capacity, that are the bigger machine, and sometime in the old houses it won't fit. So you please check the specification, like product height, width and depth, and before you make the decision to buy any particular machine. So this is all the description about this product. So finally, my review for this machine is that machine is quite good. I would give a 4.8 star rating out of 5. The reason being, setting up the Wi-Fi is a little bit tricky. Some people are not aware about 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi or 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so that is bit of the issue. But otherwise, machine is very good. Like especially quite a cool feature that you have to put up the liquid or detergent only once a month, and it will be cover up for all the wash during the month. And also machine is very quiet if you are running in the night time, so it is not noisy, so you can have a sound sleep. And also it has cool feature like UV light, which will kill the germs 99.9% as claimed by Hisense. And also it has a stream also feature, and plus you can monitor everything on the Wi-Fi app also. So I would suggest you to buy this machine. And thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.